Waste management is one of the most crucial challenges of our modern world. Every day, humanity produces millions of tons of waste, from household trash to industrial byproducts. Managing this waste responsibly determines the health of our planet and the sustainability of our future. In simple terms, waste management is the process of collecting, transporting, processing, and disposing of waste materials. It also includes recycling and reusing resources whenever possible. The goal is to minimize the impact of waste on human health and the environment. Waste can be classified into several categories: solid waste, liquid waste, organic waste, hazardous waste, and e-waste. Each requires different handling methods and safety measures. Understanding these categories is the first step toward effective waste management. Solid waste is the most visible form of garbage: plastics, paper, glass, and metals. It often comes from households, offices, and commercial spaces. Without proper management, solid waste can accumulate rapidly, causing pollution and sanitation issues. So, organic waste includes things like food scraps, yard trimmings, and agricultural residues. When these materials are properly composted, they can actually return valuable nutrients to the soil, which is pretty cool. But if they're just left to rot in landfills, they end up producing methane, and that's a really potent greenhouse gas. Hazardous waste, stuff like chemicals, batteries, and medical waste, poses some serious threats to both human health and the environment. These substances need to be treated or neutralized before they're thrown away. If they're mishandled, it can lead to soil contamination and, toxic exposure. E-waste or electronic waste is honestly one of the fastest growing waste streams in the world right now. Discarded phones, computers, and appliances all contain precious metals, but also some pretty harmful components. Recycling e-waste not only recovers those valuable materials, it also helps reduce toxic pollution. Recycling is, one of the most effective strategies in waste management. It converts used materials into new products, conserving raw resources and energy. Every recycled bottle, can, or piece of paper helps reduce landfill use and carbon emissions. However, recycling alone is not enough. Many materials are still difficult to recycle due to contamination or lack of proper facilities. The key lies in designing products and systems that make recycling easier and more efficient. Waste reduction begins at the source, with consumers and industries. By choosing reusable packaging, buying only what we need, and avoiding single-use plastics, we can significantly cut waste generation. The most sustainable waste is honestly the one that never exists. Composting, plays a vital role in sustainable waste management. It turns organic matter into nutrient-rich compost that enriches soil and supports agriculture. And, honestly, communities worldwide are adopting composting to reduce landfill loads and promote greener cities. Landfills, while necessary, are not really a long-term solution. They consume vast areas of land and, release harmful gases. Modern landfills are being redesigned with liners and methane capture systems to reduce environmental impact. Incineration, or waste-to-energy technology, offers another option. It involves burning waste under controlled conditions to generate electricity and heat. While it reduces volume and produces energy, strict pollution controls are absolutely essential to prevent harmful emissions. Advanced nations are adopting circular economy models to close the loop on waste. This approach, keeps products and materials in use for as long as possible. Instead of a take, make, dispose mindset, the circular economy promotes reuse, repair, and regeneration. In cities like Singapore, Sweden, and Japan, waste management is a symbol of innovation. These countries invest in automation, digital tracking, and public education to achieve near-zero landfill waste. Their success, honestly, proves that sustainable management is achievable. Public awareness is the foundation of effective waste management. When people understand the environmental and economic impact of waste, they make better choices. Education programs, community cleanups, and school initiatives, build a culture of responsibility. Businesses also play a crucial role in reducing waste. By adopting green manufacturing, biodegradable packaging, and circular supply chains, industries can drastically lower their ecological footprint. Corporate sustainability is now a global expectation. Governments around the world are enforcing stricter waste management policies. Bans on single-use plastics, incentives for recycling, and penalties for illegal dumping are becoming common. Policy frameworks ensure that sustainability becomes a shared responsibility. Technology is revolutionizing waste management. Smart bins, AI-powered sorting systems, and blockchain-based recycling rewards are emerging innovations. These tools improve efficiency and traceability, bringing waste management into the digital age. The future of waste management depends on collaboration between individuals, communities, industries, and governments. By rethinking how we create and dispose of waste, we can protect ecosystems and conserve resources. Together, we can turn trash into a foundation for a cleaner, more sustainable world.